For silhouettes, all you really need to get is just a black board. It could either be poster board or foam core board. I like using this. This is called corrugated board. Plastic corrugated board. Yeah. It's basically just a thick piece of plastic, has a bunch of these perforated holes on the side of it. It's just a little bit stiffer than the foam core or the poster type board, so it can take a little bit more of the beating and can last a lot longer. And what you want to do is just trace your design on this and cut it out. Relatively easy. But if you don't have the best drawing skills, what you can use is one of these cheap projectors from Amazon, and you just project your image onto it and trace it out. Super easy. So we're going to use this. Since our silhouette is going to be bigger than one board, we're going to tape the two together. You want to use a white or silver color marker to trace out the image, since this is a black board we're using, so it can stand out. And don't worry about making it absolutely perfect too. Think of this more as like a rough guide. Use a box cutter to cut your design. You don't need to get too detailed into this first cut, because this is the first step. This is just getting the rough shape of it. Once the rough shape is cut out, it makes it easier to cut out the more finer details. Now it's all cut out, we gotta add some lights to the back of this so it'll really stand out against our window. But also, because we added tape to this, because it was two pieces, this folds up nice and easily like that, so we can store it and not have to worry about it getting messed up. Now for our lights, you just use some cheap LED string lights. I'm choosing orange because it's a good contrast between our black. But you can use green or purple, whatever color you want to use. Even using different colors in different windows can actually really add to the effect. If you're using boards taped together, you want your backside to be the side with the tape. Start your lights at the bottom of the silhouette and run them along the edge of the silhouette, keeping them about an inch from the edge. You don't want any of your bulbs to be seen from the opposite side. If you have extra lights at the end of your run, you can double them up around it or put more towards the inside of the silhouette. If any of your bulbs are outside the silhouette, simply move them back behind and tape them down. Lastly, tape the silhouette to your window and remember to close the blinds behind it. That way the light bounces off of it. Well, there you go. Super easy way to add some character to those windows. Till next time, remember, if I can make it, you can make it.